Hi, my name is Mark Hancock, and I work with the Tech Advance group with Wycliffe Associates. Our main role is to provide the tools, the equipment, the research to assist for Bible translation using the methodology of MAST and also other tools that we are using for Bible translation, allowing nationals, people who know the language, to translate God's word into their own language. I wanted to provide an opportunity to talk about one of the tools that we use for the MAST process, for written the written process, and also for oral. For Translation Studio and Translation Recorder, we use a tool, the tablet. And in the show notes, I'll be able to provide um, the type of tablet that we use, the specs, and also the programs. It's important to know that this tablet is an Android tablet, and you need to be able to at least one time connect on to Google Play to download these apps. So you need a Google account to install. Whenever we Wycliffe Associates, we deploy from our offices a tablet for a project. We'll supply the tablet with a user account, and that's with a Google account. So to ensure that that tablet has the ability to update itself whenever it has um, uh, whenever it has the internet, and it'll be able to do that work. I'm not going to go through all the different programs, how to install. If you've ever seen any type of YouTube video that talks about how to install a computer or tablet, this is an 18-minute video. I could try to speed it up, but it could be a long time. But this gives you an idea of how my process of how I install it. Other people have different processes and different tools. They might use a mobile device management system, or MDM. I just simply just download and reconfigure or move the apps to where the translator needs to work on with the tools, and I'll back up that configuration, and then the next one I'll install a tablet with that same username, and restore from that user account, and then remove that account and put in the new account for that tablet. It gets to be it seems like a fairly good process. It will actually automatically install all the apps that you had installed on the first one. So it's a good way of doing a cheap way of doing MDM, um, as far as policies and any of that stuff. That's that's not. I don't think that's covered through a restoration part. So as as this process goes on this video, you'll see different programs being installed, and it's just fairly simple. Even I can do it. So enjoy, and I look forward to delving down into more information about the apps that we use. Thank you. So that is it. We've downloaded the apps, configured the apps to where they need to be on the front pane, and uh, basically that's it. If you like this video, you can subscribe to I think it's the MAST Tech Advance page for YouTube. Subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified whenever a new video shows up. This is a start of us providing more resources for you. We really do appreciate that you are out there supporting Bible translation and using the gifts that God has provided you to be able to work on gear and IT stuff. We'll also have more information on our blog talking about this video and future videos. And if you have any other types of tools that you need assistance, or we can create a video for, or we can talk about different ideas of how to do different things, just please send us a note in the comments for on YouTube, and we really do appreciate that you are spending the time listening and watching this video. Thank you again, and God bless.